In this video, we're going to focus on expanding logarithms. So that means stretching them out as much as possible and simplifying. Now, we will use, for the most part, the product, power, and quotient rules. So let's look at our first example. We want to expand log base 5 of x squared times y. So first things first, I can use the product rule to solve this. So product rule, which just means I can separate what's inside the logarithm to log base 5 of x squared plus log base 5 of y. Now, from here, I need to check for the power rule, if I can. And notice I have x to the power of 2. That 2 can come out front using the power rule. Now, from here, what you want to do is see if you can simplify. At this stage, I don't know what x or y are, therefore I can't simplify any further. Thus I have 2 log base 5 of x plus log base 5 of y. This example should be finished here. Our next example, this one wants to expand log base 3 of 27 times x cubed all over y. So the first thing I'm going to use is the quotient rule. So I want to get rid of this division. So what we're going to have, log base 3 of 27 x cubed, because that's the quantity on top, and I'm going to subtract log base 3 of y. That was the quantity on bottom. Now over here, on the left-hand side, I can use the product rule to separate this. So we'll now have log base 3 of 27 plus log base 3 of x cubed minus log base 3 of y. Now, here's where you want to use the power rule and simplify if possible. So, power rule and simplify. Simplify. So what we'll get is going to be, let's get rid of all this first. Alright. With this simplification, log base 3 of 27 is going to be 3 plus 3 log 3 of x minus log base 3 of y. Now that should be the final answer for our expansion. So notice we simplified so that we do have a 3 out there, and we use the power rule to get the 3 over here. The big key for most people is going to be forgetting this part. You do have to simplify if possible.